Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the resource. Today we're exploring SmartAsset, found at www.smartasset.com. This website provides a wealth of financial tools and resources, making it a valuable hub for anyone looking to improve their financial well-being. From retirement planning and investing to finding financial advisors and comparing insurance rates, SmartAsset aims to simplify complex financial decisions. Their platform offers a variety of calculators that allow you to estimate your retirement savings needs, determine your net worth, analyze mortgage options, and much more. They also offer a wealth of educational articles and guides covering a wide range of financial topics, empowering users to make informed choices. A key feature of SmartAsset is its ability to connect users with local financial professionals. Whether you're seeking advice on investments, taxes, or insurance, their platform can help you find qualified advisors in your area. This personalized approach makes SmartAsset a valuable resource for those seeking tailored financial guidance. SmartAsset's user-friendly interface makes navigation easy, even for those who aren't particularly tech-savvy. The website is well organized and the information is presented clearly and concisely. They also offer several free tools and resources, making financial planning accessible to a wider audience. While SmartAsset provides a valuable service, it's important to remember that they are primarily a lead generation platform for financial advisors. This means that some of their services are geared towards connecting you with professionals who pay to be listed on their site. However, this doesn't diminish the value of the free tools and resources they offer. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking for expert advice, SmartAsset offers a convenient and comprehensive platform to help you navigate the complexities of personal finance.